Do you want to illustrate books but get stuck on drawing more complicated environments? How many ways can you draw a tree? Can you illustrate different times of the day? Drawing landscapes and complete environments is a skill that every successful picture book illustrator needs in their toolbox. I've created this class, Designing Outdoor Scenes for Picture Books, to teach you elements of design and how they relate to illustrating picture books. By the time you're through with the lessons, you'll know how to create a focal point in your illustration and how to balance your composition. You'll know what point of view to illustrate from and how to light your scene for maximum emotional effect. You'll learn how to use color, value, and saturation to draw attention to or to unify an area, and how and when to take artistic license in your illustrations. By the end of the class, you'll have drawn a set of thumbnails to figure out a compelling composition, and then you tweak it, and in the end, you'll have a great, complete picture book illustration that you can use in your dummy or portfolio. Hi, I'm Mirka, and I'm an award-winning author and illustrator, and I've worked with publishers big and small to create a range of books going anywhere from graphic novels to picture books and nonfiction and fiction. I'm passionate about kids' books and love sharing what I've learned along the years as an author and an illustrator. This class is the first one in 3 on how to create environments for picture books. This class does all the heavy lifting, talking about compositions and principles of design, and we concentrate on drawing outdoor scenes. The next 2 classes will cover how to draw scenes underwater and how to do indoor scenes. This class is great for beginners who want to get into picture book illustration, and it also works for intermediate illustrators who might still feel a little bit wobbly on creating environments for their characters to live in. So do you want to illustrate amazing environments? Grab your pencils and let's go!